Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode sponsored by 5paisa.com. Why 5paisa.com? Why I decided to accept 5paisa.com's sponsorship? In fact, few weeks before, I came out with a video by saying that I'm not happy with most of the brokers, and every broker there is one or the other problems. And I got so fed up, and then I decided to become a broker myself. But then, considering many other factors, ultimately I am planning to relocate to Singapore. Then if I take a broking membership, it involves a lot of day-to-day management. So I thought if I can get a good broker, then there is no need for me to become a broker. And I approached few brokers with many conditions, and I found 5paisa agreeing to all my conditions. So the first thing is that 5paisa.com is a discount broker. They charge only 20 rupees per order. There are few other discount brokers also charge less brokerage, but I find that they try to take away some money from you through some other sources. And I found one broker charging only 100 rupees per month, but when I check his clearing charges, that's very, very high. So you don't only look at the brokerage, you also look at how much they charge for your AMC charges for your demat. Then if you are pledging, how much they charge for pledging charges. And some brokers, they charge in terms of percentage. And many of my clients have 1 crore worth of shares. When they are pledging, if they are charging in percentage, it's 2,500 rupees, 5,000 rupees like that. But 5paisa charges only 12 rupees per 50 paise pledge. So when I look at the overall offer, I found 5paisa to be very good. But not only 5paisa offering discount broking services, and I insisted that for me and especially for my clients, they should offer full broking services. What is the difference between full broking service and discount broking service? Let me explain to you. And you all know I am an option seller, and most of the time option sellers are people with a large capital. And what are the problems they are facing? Number one, I tend to trade long-term options, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, like that. There are many brokers, they are not allowing you to trade in long-term options. And many discount brokers, even many full-fledged brokers, also they don't allow you. So they do not allow you to trade in long-term options. And second one, option sellers are always with a large capital, and they do not want to bring in cash to the broker. They just want to put the money in Bharat bond or fixed deposit, and they want to give it as a collateral. So many brokers insist that they will take only 50% collateral, remaining 50% must come as a cash. But I prefer to have 100% collateral. Most of my money are lying in Bharat bond, getting about 7% return. And I give Bharat bond as collateral and I trade. And the third one is that most of the time, option sellers, big option sellers, they are full-time traders. They are not comfortable with the mobile version or the web version. And most of the brokers, they provide only the web version. So we need a trading terminal, a reliable trading terminal, something like Nest. So many brokers, they do not provide that. And the fourth one, this is a little bit technical. Whenever we sell options, we collect large amount of money as a premium, and that premium is actually added into the margin, and it is blocked by the exchange. But as far as I know, most of the brokers in India, they are once again blocking that money from trading. So margin is also taking the premium away, and these people also take it. So it became a double blocking. For a small trader, this is not a big problem. But for big trader like me, even that money can run into crores. Then if crores of rupees is blocked unnecessarily, then my trading opportunity, my rate of return and everything goes down. So this is double blocking of the money. And there are few brokers who do not allow people to buy far out of the money options. Of course, they do for their own reasons. They have some constraints, but they do not allow. And then Last but not least, I think I came out with a video. I think many of you complained to me also that with the new SEBI regulation, and some people, many brokers, they just deduct money from the client's accounts. You call them, why did you deduct? They say it's a peak margin penalty. I traded within my limits only. No, exchange increased the margin that day afternoon. So many brokers are indulging into unfair trade practices. That's why 2 days before also I came out with a video requesting SEBI to reconsider this decision. For people like us, option sellers, long-term options must be allowed, 100% collateral must be allowed, no unfair trade practices, taking away money in the name of peak margin penalty, and giving a stable standalone trading terminal, and no 2 times blocking of margin money, premium money, should allow far out of the money option buying. So if all these conditions are met, and I told 5 paisa people, I am ready to pay you higher brokerage. So we are launching a plan called premium plan, where we will be charging 10 rupees per lot. But you will be allowed far out of the money option buying. You will be allowed long-term options trading. You can give 100% collateral. There will be no unfair trade practices. The trading terminal will be given, and then no blocking of premium money. So that I can assure you. And the third one, we are also launching another plan called Premium Plus. That is for the options traders who have a minimum capital of 25 lakh rupees. And if you open account through us, and we will be able to guide you through the trading. 5 paisa will give you the research calls also. And right now I am working as a research analyst in another company. I will resign very soon. I will be joining 5 paisa as a research analyst. And the best thing out of all this is that one will be absolutely free for you if you have a minimum capital of 25 lakhs. While talking about the full-fledged broking, one important thing which I forgot to mention, now I tell you. Option sellers, few years before, we put the money in bank FD, we give it as a collateral to the exchange. But recently, NSE is not taking FD from the clients. However, they take FD from the brokers. So, for HNI clients, if they put it in Bharat Bond or some other collateral, the main problem is the haircut. 10%, 15% haircut. So, your trading limit goes down. And plus, the return from Bharat Bond, no, it is only after 10 or 11 years. You don't get the cash flow. If you are putting it in debt mutual funds, the returns are very less. With 5 paisa, we have an arrangement. So, your money will go to bank fixed deposit, and you will get the interest for that. And the advantage is that you get 100% limit for trading. There is no haircut. So this FD option is not being offered by most of the brokers in India. So we have 3 plans. One is a normal plan, which is 20 rupees per order. The premium plan, rupees 10 per lot. And premium plus, that is also 10 rupees per lot only, but you should have 25 lakh rupees capital, minimum capital. In the description, you can see the link for normal plan. And for premium plan, for premium plus plan, we have given the Google form. You fill that form and we will get back to you. And in fact, few months before, I asked you to contact me if you want a service from a good broker, and about 3,000 people have responded to that one. And though I've been trading with 5 paisa for a long time, and I thought, because I'm an HNI client, I thought they will give all these facilities only to me. But now when I approach many brokers, and most of them did not agree to all my conditions, but 5 paisa has agreed to all my conditions, not only for me. Anyway, they have been giving me, I've been trading with them for more than 2 years. Now they are ready to extend all these facilities to my clients also. Those 3,000 people who contacted me I have passed on your contact numbers to 5 Paisa. Very soon they will call you. And there are many YouTubers promote some brokers. But what happens? You click on the link, open an account with the broker, and then that's it. So if any problem with the broker, you have to deal only with the broker. But I'm giving a mail ID in the description. And when you open an account with 5 Paisa, if you have got any problem, you can deal with them directly. That's the first one. And then if you are not getting a satisfied reply, and if you are not convinced, you can always contact us through the email given in the description, and we will take the things on behalf of you. So I can tell you, no other YouTuber in India has done this. So for me, you are more important than the broker. So this is the service I've been doing already for the people who are under my franchisee, and I will continue to do this. Sridhar Shetty, will you be trading option in the next 10 years? I think better you could have asked the question, will you be alive for next 10 years? So I will be trading options as long as I'm living. And Warren Buffett, I think his age is 89 and he still invests in stock market. So people related to stock market, they will be in the stock market until they die. Next one, Rajesh, please talk more about margin penalty. If we carry the position, then only the penalty will be late, or even for few minutes penalty will be levied. And also let us know the calculation so that we will be aware. It's very simple. Whatever is the total margin money plus your live MTM loss, and that money must be there in your account. So if that money is not there, if there is a less money, whatever is the difference, for that difference you have to pay penalty. That is called peak margin penalty. I hope you understand. The next question, Mr. Jagdish Kumar, as election results are about to announce on Sunday, if DMK wins the election, will that reflect positively for Sun TV on Monday market? We need your opinion. Yeah, this is a very simple question, and I've been saying this for many days. And in fact, even on Friday, the Sun TV shot up nearly 30 rupees. The last 1 week, 10 days, it shot from 450 to 550. And Zee TV and Sun TV, if you compare, the Sun TV valuations are very, very low compared to Zee TV. But we know what kind of problems the Zee TV had last year. Even they were not able to repay the debt. They delayed. But Sun TV is financially a very good company. It's just because of that political orientation, so the valuation is very, very low. If the DMK comes to power in Tamil Nadu, so the valuation will increase. So I have already stated in my blog, it has the potential to touch 600 rupees if DMK comes to the power. Disclaimer, I have no interest in politics. I have interest only in stock market. Market cap to GDP is greater than 100. Need to worry about it. Worrying sign for investors who are concerned about valuation of stocks. And I really do not know why people worry so much market cap to GDP and this and that. If you look at the real estate prices in Mumbai, it does not come under any valuation. And there is something called purchase power parity. A person need to work 800 years in order to buy an apartment in Mumbai. So I read it somewhere. So sometimes, there is no point in looking at market cap, GDP and this and that, right? And I always say, people want lower prices in stock market, but when it comes to the lower price, they will not dare to invest. And last year, because of Corona, Nifty came to 7,500. That time all the valuations are very good. And tell me how many people dare to invest. When the price come to 7,500, people all will be talking 6,000 will be coming, 5,000 will be coming, 4,000 will be coming. So basically, if you are investing in a good company, you should not worry about all these things. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.